Number one, you should wait. Wait out the process. Now, during the waiting phase, it doesn't necessarily mean you wait doing nothing. No. During this phase is a time where you would have to learn, you know, get to study the market if you're a beginner, try to understand what you did wrong, why you bought at the very wrong price, and now that the price is dropping, what you should have done or what you would do better. This is a time of research, this is a time of study. During bear market, believe you me, during bear markets, these are times where if you are very careful, you might just trade in a way that during the next bull run, it will serve as a turning point in your life. But like I said, you have to be very careful and take this period as a time of study. Do not go around buying coins. Do not go around listening to people. This is not the right time because the market is going through a flush right now. Coins that are, not strong enough, projects that are weak, they'll be flushed out. And you don't want to be holding a coin or a meme coin, for example, that will be among the coins that will be flushed. So you have to be careful and watch out for that. Then, if you have already bought a coin or you already have an asset, let's say you bought Ethereum, for example, or any other asset that you might have bought. If the asset or the coin you bought is not the kind that you can stick, I would advise you this period you convert your asset to Ethereum so that you can stake them. Now, staking Ethereum does not mean that your problems will be solved, but it will create a form of balance, okay, whereby your assets can be growing during the bear market phase. Your assets can be growing even though price is dropping. That's the second thing you can do. Third thing you can do is DCA. Now, DCA is another trading practice that has been, used by expert traders for a very long time. DCA simply means dollar cost averaging. It's a time whereby when you want to trade, you make sure you don't focus on, lump sum trading, which means you buy once. Instead of buying once, let's say if you are making a trade and you have like $100, you can now tell yourself that every week in this $100 that I have, I'll only be spending um $10 weekly to purchase a particular asset. Could be Bitcoin, could be Ethereum, could be any other asset of your choice. All right. So that is another thing you can do if you want to stay in the market. Then if you feel like this whole thing is just stressing you out, hey, I get it. I get it. You're not the first. Okay. You can decide to stay off the market, stay off the chart, save money during this time. Just focus on saving money. You can save your money in your native currency, or